Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by putting Rvox directly on the vocal channel. This places processing inline. Once done, lower the input gain until the meter peaks below clipping because clean level prevents artifacts. Make sure you selected the correct instance, mono for single mic, stereo when using tracked doubled takes, so the processing matches your routing. Then, load a neutral or vocal lead preset to get sensible starting values. This saves time and reveals which controls you'll tweak next. Now you dial the threshold so Rvox compresses the louder syllables without squashing quiet words. Listen while nudging the knob because your ear decides the sweet spot. Once that's set, move to release. Short releases tighten rhythm, longer releases preserve natural decay, so match release to tempo and vocal phrasing. Then shape character with the tone or character controls and amount. Push a little to add presence, but stop before pumping or unnatural breath emphasis occurs. Finish by trimming makeup gain until the processed vocal sits at the desired level relative to the mix. You want consistent perceived loudness without peaks that stick out. Once done, a /B by toggling bypass and listening on multiple systems, headphones, monitors, phone, to ensure translation. If you hear pumping, zippering, or sibilance exaggerated, reduce the amount or lengthen release, and recheck input gain staging. Correcting gain before the plugin often fixes most artifact issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.